Hi, I'm Eoin from Square. We're a software development company, web development, branding, and marketing agency. And Parts Bookkeeping have been no end of help since we've joined them. Bookkeeping was always something I didn't enjoy, something I avoided. I'm a creative. I like doing things, making things, and selling things, and I really didn't want to be bogged down with numbers. Having tools like Xero helped a little bit. Certainly better than when I used to have QuickBooks on my desktop. Ultimately, it just wasn't a priority in my business when I was doing so many other things. So as long as money was there to operate, I would concentrate on sales and more enjoyable tasks, making things and getting client work done and whatever else. It's not a very good way to run a business, and I knew that because every end of year was so stressful. I'd always leave it to the last minute. I wouldn't have done any bookkeeping for the whole year, so I'd have to do so much all the way through. Any problems would be impossible to remember, like what had happened or whatever. But Parks took all of that away. So instantly they took away not just saving me time, which is very much appreciated, but the stress of it all I found it stressful. So they took that away, and suddenly my books were just updated regularly. If I ever went in there, things would be kind of up to date. Not only that, I was forced to have a good look at finance, despite not wanting to really. But when they provide their financial reports to me and go through it, not only is it something that I wouldn't do otherwise, so it helps that they make me do it, but they also, if I don't understand it and I have questions, they are able to answer them, which is like really reassuring to have them on my side, especially Kim, who really knows her stuff. So yeah, opened my eyes to a few things that they, where I could save money potentially, or costs or whatever, and also when I was having good and bad months, and how cash flow was, and all those other things that you just need to know. I was better able to understand who I need to chase down for unpaid invoices, and also doing that in a timely fashion really helped me, because there were times we'd left chasing invoices so long that customers had gone out of business or something like that, and then we were never getting paid the invoice. But if we'd have asked for it on the same month or the month after, we probably would have got it. So yeah, then as the company was growing, it was a real godsend to have Parks Bookkeeping, because we had Eoin, who came on board to take care of the payroll, which is something I would have had no idea how to do it. They've got a great little system as well, which allows staff to apply for holiday days and stuff, which has been useful as well. And they're taking care of the pensions as well, which is a legal requirement. So I would have just had no idea where to go with any of that. And yeah, when I realised, okay, I need to take care of things a bit better with finance, because they'd opened my eyes and made me think about things a bit more. I realised there are certain things I just needed to be a bit more hands-on, and I knew that I just wouldn't do it unless I was made to. So I booked a standing meeting weekly with Sam from Parks Bookkeeping. She takes care of the day-to-day books on my account, and she's been very helpful in terms of just letting know what they need from me. So if they need credit card statements, bank statements, whatever it is, because we have that call and it's booked in my diary and no other client work comes in there, I can go away and get those things at the time, get it done quickly without delaying them. It makes the end of the year a lot more easier as well, which Parks do everything for me. I don't actually have an accountant, I just use these guys for the whole lot, all my submissions and everything. And yeah, my accounts are in just a totally different place. When I started working with Parks, it was about 5 years ago. Now I have a clear breakdown of which services are making me the most money. I have good reporting, where I might have problems on cash flow or something like that. Saves a lot of time in data entry, which is really, as a business owner wearing a lot of hats, you never have enough time. So that is one of the biggest things for me. And if your accounts are now done in advance, even if you do need things from me, it's not quite as much of going in and downloading statements or whatever, because they've got most of them on a monthly basis anyway. And because of that, it's like a lot less stress. Even VAT, they report that to me on a regular basis, so I always know roughly what bill's about to come out of the account, and I can make sure that I'm accounting for that in like side pots and stuff like that. So overall, I would recommend Parks Bookkeeping to anyone, especially small businesses or growing businesses, because they've been a great service to me, and I'm extremely happy to recommend them.